Hi friends, in this video we will solve a given problem, that is example 2.1. Firstly, if you are new on this channel, then subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more updates and read the question. The question has mentioned the screw eye is subjected to two forces F1 and F2. This is F1 and this is F2. Determine the magnitude and direction of the resultant force. So we have to find the resultant force and direction. So we have already drawn the diagram, free body diagram. F1, F2 and the angle 15 degree, 10 degree. So F1, F2, 15 degree, 10 degree. We have to find magnitude of resultant force. We can solve this problem by two methods. So we will discuss the first method firstly by using the parallelogram law. Because the forces F1 and F2 are joined tail to tail rule, then we apply parallelogram law. We shift F2 here and this force F1 here, because parallel we can shift parallel, and the resultant is this arrow of the resultant. Now parallelogram is drawn. Now the angles. We know that the angle between x and y axis is 90 degree. So the angle, this angle becomes 90 degree minus 10 degree minus 15, that is equal to 65 degree. 90 minus 10 degree minus 15 degree is the angle between F1 and F2, that is 65. So I am writing this 65 degree. In parallelogram the opposite angles are the same, so this is also 65 degree. We know that sum of all the angles in the parallelogram is equal to 360 degree. So the angle of this we can find by this calculation. 360 minus 65 degree and this 65 degree. So 360 minus 65 is equals to 230 degree. 230 degree. So 230 divided by 2 is equals to 115 degree. So 360 is the whole angle of the parallelogram. 360 minus 65 is the angle of this and this also. So opposite angles are the same, then we divide it by 230 divided by 2, that is equal to 115. So 115 degree this and this. Because the opposite angles are same, then 115 degree is equal to 115 degree here. Now we draw the triangle separate. This is F1, F2, and this is FR. This was resultant. FR. This angle is 115. This, we don't know this angle. So let's alpha. And this is phi. Because we know the angle between F1 and F2. We know this angle. This complete angle. But not this. We don't know this angle. So this angle will become alpha. Now by using the cosine law, we can find the resultant of these two forces. Cosine law, Fr is equal to under root C is equal to a square under root a square plus b square minus 2ab cos C. The opposite angle will come C, and the opposite angle C, small c, will come here. So Fr is equal to under root F1 is equal to 100 Newton. F1 is equal to 100 Newton. And F2 is equal to 150 Newton. So F1 is equal to under root 100 square plus 150 square minus 2F1 F2, that is 200 multiplied by 100 into 150 into cos opposite angle. The opposite angle of this is this 115. So by calculator we can find Fr, that is 212.55 Newton. So the magnitude of Fr resultant force is 212.55 Newton. So determine the magnitude and the direction of the resultant force. We have find magnitude. Now we will find direction. So we have to find this alpha. Now by using the sine law. Sine law is equal to A upon sine alpha, B upon sine beta, similarly C upon Sine gamma. So FR is equal to 212.55. 212.55 divided by sine 115. Sine 115. And F2 is equal to 115 Newton, and opposite angle is alpha. Sine alpha. By solving this, we have find alpha through the calculator 39.76 degree. We have find this angle alpha. So we have to find this angle from the axis. Direction is always taken from the axis, is equal to theta. This angle is theta. So theta is equals to alpha plus 15 degree. Alpha, this angle alpha here, alpha plus 15 degree is equals to theta. So 39.76 plus 15 is equal to 59.76 degree. This is the direction of the resultant force. The question has done. If you are like this video, then press the like button, and if you are new on this channel, then subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.